Have you ever wondered why wealth seems to elude so many, while others seem to attract money effortlessly? The secret lies in understanding the hidden truths about making money, truths that most poor people never get a chance to learn. Imagine if you could unlock these secrets and start building a prosperous future today. In this eye-opening video, we'll delve into 10 crucial concepts about wealth creation that can revolutionize your financial life. What if the key to your financial freedom is just one insight away? Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to break free from the monotonous 9-to-5 and live life on your own terms? This channel exists to help you make that dream a reality. I am committed to helping as many people as possible get rich. If you want to get wealthy and want the best for your family, then please subscribe. I will continue to bring you valuable information every week. Thank you for your support. Now, let's get to work with the first concept. The foundation, financial literacy. What if I told you that the secret to wealth starts with understanding a few key financial principles? Financial literacy is the bedrock upon which all wealth is built. By grasping essential economic concepts, you empower yourself to make smart decisions about your money. Take compound interest, for example. This powerful concept allows your money to grow exponentially over time. Imagine investing $1,000 at a 7% annual return. Without adding another penny, that investment can balloon to over $7,600 in 30 years. That's the magic of compound interest in action. But it doesn't stop there. The financial world is always evolving, making continuous learning a must. Familiarize yourself with crucial terms like compounding gains, assets, liabilities, diversification, cash flow, and liquidity. Mastering these concepts will arm you with the knowledge needed to navigate the complex landscape of personal finance. How much more could you achieve if you understood the language of money? Number 2. Mindset matters. What if the biggest barrier to your financial success isn't your income, but your mindset? The way you think about money profoundly impacts your ability to build wealth. Embracing a growth-oriented mindset, where challenges are seen as opportunities to learn and grow, can transform your financial future. Many people from lower income backgrounds hold limiting beliefs about money, such as rich people are lucky or I'll never be wealthy. These beliefs act as invisible chains, holding you back from financial progress. Imagine what you could achieve if you broke free from these mental constraints. Positive thinking isn't just a feel-good mantra, it influences your financial decisions and outcomes. By fostering a mindset that encourages calculated risks and resilience in the face of setbacks, you can pave the way to wealth. Developing a wealth-building mindset starts with practicing gratitude for what you have now, setting ambitious yet achievable financial goals, and surrounding yourself with financially savvy individuals. Remember, your thoughts shape your actions, and your actions shape your economic reality. Are you ready to shift your mindset and unlock your financial potential? Your journey to wealth begins with the way you think. Number 3, strategic income management. What if relying on a single paycheck is the biggest financial risk you're taking? The wealthiest individuals understand that one income stream is never enough. They diversify, creating multiple sources of income, including passive income from investments. Imagine having money flowing in from rental properties or stock dividends, providing financial stability and growth even when you're not actively working. Developing various income streams not only boosts your earning potential, but also acts as a safety net if one source dries up. Strategic income management starts with smart budgeting and disciplined saving habits. Create a detailed budget that tracks all your income and expenses. Aim to save at least 20% of your income and automate these savings to ensure you stay on track with your goals. Think about the peace of mind you'd gain from knowing you're financially secure no matter what life throws at you. By managing your income strategically, you'll be better positioned to invest in your future and weather any financial storms. It all starts with a strategic approach to managing your money. Number 4, the power of investing. What if you could make your money work for you, growing and multiplying while you sleep? Investing early and consistently is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth over time. Thanks to the magic of compounding gains, even small investments can grow substantially over the decades. Diversification is key to managing risk in your investment portfolio. By spreading your investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, you minimize the impact of any single poor-performing asset. For those new to investing, there are accessible options to get started. Index funds offer broad market exposure at low costs. Individual stocks allow you to invest in companies you believe in. And real estate investment trusts, REITs, give you exposure to the property market without the hassle of owning physical property. Investing always carries some risk, so it's crucial to understand your risk tolerance and invest accordingly. Start small, learn as you go, and gradually increase your investments as your knowledge and comfort level grow. Imagine the possibilities if your money started working for you today. Are you ready to harness the power of investing and watch your wealth grow over time? Your financial future could be just an investment away. Number 5, leveraging relationships. What if your next big financial opportunity is just one connection away? Networking isn't just about socializing, it's a powerful tool for creating financial opportunities. Building strong professional relationships can lead to job offers, business partnerships, and invaluable investment insights. Imagine the doors that could open by attending industry events, joining professional associations, and engaging with colleagues on platforms like LinkedIn. Don't hesitate to reach out to people you admire for advice or mentorship. A single conversation could change the trajectory of your financial journey. Finding mentors and financial advisors who have achieved the success you aspire to can provide priceless guidance. Learn from their experiences and actions, and you'll gain a clearer path to your own financial goals. Effective networking is about building genuine relationships and providing value to others, not just seeking what you can get from them. By cultivating a strong network, you'll create a web of support and opportunities that can significantly accelerate your financial growth. Are you ready to leverage your relationships and unlock new financial opportunities? Your next connection could be the key to your financial success. Number 6. Smart debt management. What if you could turn debt into a stepping stone rather than a stumbling block on your financial journey? Understanding the difference between good and bad debt is crucial for financial success. Good debt, like a mortgage or student loans, can be an investment in your future, enabling you to acquire appreciating assets or enhance your earning potential. On the flip side, bad debt, such as high-interest credit card balances, can severely hinder your financial progress. Imagine the burden lifted from managing debt wisely and using it strategically to further your financial goals. Start by prioritizing the repayment of high-interest debt. Consider consolidating debts to secure lower interest rates and make repayment more manageable. Always read the fine print before taking on new debt, ensuring you have a clear repayment plan. Remember, the goal is to use debt as a tool for wealth building, not as a crutch for living beyond your means. How would your financial life change if you mastered the art of smart debt management? By leveraging debt effectively, you can turn it into a powerful ally on your path to financial independence. Number 7. Tax strategies and financial planning. What if mastering a few tax strategies could save you thousands of dollars over your lifetime? Understanding basic tax strategies is crucial for maximizing your wealth. Take full advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks and IRAs to boost your retirement savings. Familiarize yourself with deductions and credits relevant to your situation and keep detailed records of your income and expenses to ensure you maximize your tax benefits. Long-term financial planning is essential for achieving your financial goals. Start by defining clear, measurable financial objectives for both the short term and the long term. Then, create a comprehensive financial plan that includes strategies for saving, investing, and protecting your assets. Regularly review and adjust your plan as your life circumstances change. Imagine having a clear roadmap to guide you through every financial decision, helping you stay on track to achieve your goals. How much more confident would you feel with a solid financial plan in place? By understanding tax strategies and engaging in thorough financial planning, you can secure your financial future and pave the way to lasting success. Number 8. Entrepreneurial thinking. What if thinking like an entrepreneur could unlock new doors to wealth and opportunity? Adopting an entrepreneurial mindset can transform your financial landscape. Start by identifying problems or needs in your community or industry that you could solve. This is the first step to creating value and generating income. Begin with a small side hustle to test your ideas and build your entrepreneurial skills. As you gain experience and confidence, you can scale successful ventures into full-fledged businesses. Imagine turning a simple idea into a thriving enterprise. Embracing an entrepreneurial mindset means cultivating creativity, resilience, and a willingness to take calculated risks. Stay curious. View failures as learning opportunities and continuously educate yourself about business and market trends. Remember, many successful businesses started as small side projects before growing into significant enterprises. How could your financial future change if you thought like an entrepreneur? By fostering an entrepreneurial mindset, you open yourself to endless possibilities for creating wealth and achieving financial independence. Number 9, avoiding common pitfalls. What if the key to building wealth lies not just in what you do, but also in what you avoid? Avoiding common financial pitfalls is crucial to maintaining and growing your wealth. One major trap is lifestyle inflation, the tendency to increase spending as your income rises. While it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle dramatically, doing so can sabotage your wealth-building efforts. Instead, allocate a significant portion of any income increases to savings and investments. Be mindful of the temptation to keep up with the Joneses, as appearances can be deceiving and lead to poor financial decisions. Staying informed about market trends and economic conditions will help you make better financial choices. Be wary of get-rich-quick schemes and high-pressure sales tactics. If an investment opportunity seems too good to be true, it probably is. Always do your due diligence before making significant financial decisions. Imagine how much further you could go by sidestepping these common traps. Avoiding these pitfalls will protect your wealth and keep you on track toward achieving your financial goals. Are you ready to steer clear of these financial missteps and secure your path to wealth? By being vigilant and making informed choices, you can safeguard your financial future. Number 10, continuous growth and adaptation. What if staying ahead financially meant embracing a mindset of continuous growth and adaptation? In a world where change is constant, lifelong learning is the key to economic success. Stay informed about financial trends and strategies by reading trusted financial news, attending workshops, or enrolling in online courses. Adapt your financial plan to reflect shifting economic conditions. Whether it's adjusting your investment portfolio during market fluctuations or seizing new income opportunities during downturns, staying flexible is crucial. Expand your financial knowledge through personal finance books, podcasts, and reputable websites. Engage with investment clubs or online communities to exchange ideas with others who share your financial goals. Imagine the impact of ongoing financial education on your wealth-building journey. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and grow your wealth over time. Are you ready to embrace continuous growth and adaptation in your financial life? By staying informed and flexible, you can navigate economic changes and secure your financial future with confidence. If you're still watching, then you are serious about building wealth. Keep your momentum going and learn how to build wealth from nothing. Go ahead and click on this video now and let's build big money.